Recent global economic trends have introduced a degree of uncertainty in markets, and while the United States appears poised for a potential soft landing, South Africa's medium-term economic prospects are less optimistic. Nonetheless, there are emerging signs of a cyclical recovery taking shape, and to provide insights into these global shifts and identify potential investment opportunities, we're joined by Portfolio Manager at PPS Investment, Riza Hendricks. Good afternoon to you, Riza, and thank you so much for joining us. Just kicking us off, what are the key factors driving the global, or rather the current global economic uncertainty?
Thanks, Cindy. It's great to be here. So at the moment, there seems to be quite a lot of uncertainty around the path of US growth. There certainly is, or at least what's sort of at the top of investors' minds at the moment is the fact that, or the sort of risk of a potential US economic recession. In fact, for a while now, there's been talk about the US appearing to have navigated to the soft landing scenario, which ultimately speaks to inflation having come down close to targets through some help from the central banks that have hiked rates, and without an associated US recession as well. So that's the soft landing picture. But now people have become more concerned that the US might in fact be on course for a recession post the recent developments in the labor market, and also the fact that the Fed hasn't yet cut. So the picture, I would say, is quite fluid in terms of the soft landing in the US. It certainly isn't a given yet.
And correct. And of course, what happens in the global markets in the West in particular, which are our key trading partners,